Two car rental giants, Hertz and Budget, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Hertz, the premium car rental with global reach. And on the right, Budget, the affordable car rental with a local focus. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, here's what we're going to look at. The whole comparison. We're talking price, fleet and selection, locations and availability, customer service, loyalty program, sustainability stuff, and, the mobile experience. Basically, all the stuff that matters when you grab the keys. Let's kick it off with price. Hands down, probably the thing most of us obsess over first. So, with Hertz, you do get occasional price matches, and sometimes like 10% off, which is pretty sweet if you catch it. But honestly, the base rates are on the steeper side, and extras, oh boy, you might want to brace yourself. Now, switch over to Budget, and not gonna lie, those rates are consistently lower. Plus, up to 35% off when you prepay. Like, that's real money. A little catch, though. They hit you with this daily e-toll fee even if you don't actually use a toll that day. Sneaky, right? Anyway, Budget's clearly the winner here. Saving cash just feels good. Next up, fleet and selection. All right, Hertz is the heavyweight. They've got it all. Luxury rides, specialty cars, and check this out, even Teslas and Polestars showing up lately. If you want options, like real options, Hertz kind of spoils you. Except if you're hoping for a location close to your neighborhood, it's not as common. Now, Budget, solid for the everyday cars, a few hybrids, and maybe an EV here or there. But if you want to pull up in something fancy, you might feel a bit let down. So for fleet and choice, Hertz totally takes the crown. Let's talk locations and availability. Hertz is, honestly, everywhere. Like 10,000 plus spots, especially at airports. So if you fly a lot, super convenient. Downside? Remote or rural areas aren't always covered. Budget's got about 1,500 offices in neighborhoods and airports. It's actually great for picking up close to home, but if you're at a major airport, you might not spot as many Budget counters. Hertz wins again for just being, well, everywhere. Oh, and here's something cool I bet you didn't know. Enterprise actually has the biggest fleet out there. But if you want international options, Hertz is the one leading the pack. Wild, right? Customer service time. Hertz goes for that premium vibe. You'll get loyalty perks, high ratings, all the stuff that makes you feel kind of special. But if you're at a busy airport curb, you might catch yourself waiting longer than you planned. Budget? No frills. Get in, get out. Straightforward and easy, just don't expect pampering. Plus, the customer satisfaction scores aren't quite as glowing. So yeah, Hertz pulls ahead on this one for the little touches. On to loyalty programs. Hertz brings Gold Plus rewards. Think upgrades, free days, and apparently no blackout periods. So tempting. Downside, redeeming those points isn't super cheap, and they expire after a year. Budget's Fast Break is, honestly, about getting you in and out super fast. And yeah, you score some exclusive deals, but there's no points system and not many juicy extras. If you're into the whole loyalty scene, Hertz, again, has more going for it. Sustainability. So, are they actually trying to be green? Hertz is making moves, rolling out EVs like Teslas and Polestars, plus some carbon offset efforts. Not every location is on board yet, so sometimes you'll just get a regular gas car. Budget is catching up. Hybrids, EVs, some new green programs, but on a smaller scale. So if eco-friendly matters to you, Hertz is just further ahead. Mobile experience. Hertz's app, it's good. Easy to use, booking's simple, and your loyalty stuff's all tied in. Not jaw-dropping, but it gets the job done. Budget's app is functional, and you can book a car, but don't expect a bunch of bells and whistles. And to be honest, it's not quite as smooth. So, round goes to Hertz for tech, too. Let's check out the breakdown. Budget really holds the lead on price, but pretty much everywhere else, Hertz is stacking up wins. From fleet, locations, loyalty, to sustainability, they just do a bit more. So here's how it shakes out. If you're after premium service, a ton of options, and want to rent globally, Hertz is the pick. If you mostly care about saving money and just need a solid, no-nonsense rental, Budget is your kind of vibe. Makes sense, honestly. If you found this helpful, definitely hit that subscribe or follow so you don't miss the next one. I've got more smart comparisons coming your